Okay, I know it's the first second of the video, but like we have to get stuff done. I mean, I actually got stuff done already, but like, okay. Let me explain to you what happened. I finished a, how do you call it? Refactoring the browser. So if you take a look at the previous code that I had for this thing, it was kind of boo-boo, you could say. It was all in one file and I didn't like it. So now I took some time and tried to move things around and make it a little like modular, you could say. So yeah, so now it's like this. I was basically debugging the whole application, trying to like refactor it for the past 3 days, 3 to 4 days, and I finally made it. The biggest problem was the connect event. Trying to move it here was the biggest problem because I would have to pass 3 things. I would have to pass the input field object, which is the text from which we'll be getting the URL. Global grid object, which is where we will be putting the container, which will then display HTML elements, and the actual container which we will then append our elements onto after parsing the whole HTML code. So yeah, this is the first news. The second news, I finished parsing stuff. I made a first example. If you go into the parse structure, here inside of parse.c, you can see I made it. I made a I guess yeah, it loops through the DOM structure. That's the thing. It goes through. You can see it. It calls it recursively, of course. So if node has a first child, it will recall it, and if it has a next one, it will recall it. First the children, and then the next ones come. So yeah, that's how it works. And for every node that it visits, it will parse it. So yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's actually all the news. I tried to make it clean and not make it messy, and it did end up pretty well from what I know, so I'm pretty proud of myself. And if I show you now the program, so you do make all to build it, HTTP, localhost. Again, localhost is just a local server I have, and you can see that we fetch p tags just to test, because for now, in this example parse.c, I have a switch case, and I have only a check for the tag p, so that's what I was checking. So now if we connect to it, you can see that it appends the elements, and it just works, you know, out of the box. I guess out of the box, not really, but yeah. So that's cool. I'll try to fix the UI elements because this UI really sucks, like as fuck. But yeah, other than that, I'm really proud of myself for doing this. I could also implement like enter, because for now it doesn't nothing happens if you press enter. Example.com, it goes to the second line, and that's not what we want. We want to click connect to connect to the thing. In fact, here you can see also a problem we have, which are enter elements. I guess that's not really a good thing. It should replace them with like by breaking the line or something. So yeah, that's enough. Also, yeah, that's all. That's all the news. So this how far I've made it. For now, there is no showcase. This is just a showcase video. I will not be developing anything because these days I'm really busy with stuff. So yeah, it's an F. But other than that, I'll try to continue this. If anything cool happens, I will record it and I will share it with you. Else, I guess see you whenever something cool happens. That's all I can really say. For now, I'll try to implement more more elements, see where that leads me. Maybe I'll bump into something, I don't know, into some problem, and then make a video about it. But for now it's just straight up downhill, I'm guessing. Also, I could make a video about redoing the GUI, because this sucks as fuck. So maybe like make something that's a little prettier, you know. Yeah. So that's all for this video.